Place cameras to cover pool equipment and chemical shed entry points without delay. Position one camera to capture the shed door and any adjacent windows or ventilation openings from a 3/4 angle to reduce glare and capture faces. Mount a second camera to monitor the surrounding perimeter at 8 to 10 feet high to prevent tampering while still providing clear identification. Angle it slightly downward and avoid pointing directly at reflective water surfaces. Use waterproof housings and conduit for any cameras within 6 to 8 feet of sprinklers or pool spray to prevent corrosion and short circuits. Integrate cameras with access controls such as keypad logs or smart locks so video is correlated with who entered and when for faster incident review. Configure motion activation zones to ignore the water surface and focus on human-sized targets, and set recording retention to at least 30 days where allowed by local rules so you have historical footage if needed. Regularly test infrared performance at night and clean lenses quarterly to maintain clear images around chemical dust and spray. A common mistake is mounting cameras too low where vandals can reach them, which is fixed by placing units high with tamper-resistant domes and secure conduits. Another issue is aiming cameras straight at reflective pool water, which causes false motion triggers and poor identification. Solve this by adjusting angle, tightening motion zones, and using polarizing filters or settings to reduce glare. People often forget to protect nearby equipment from humidity and chemical fumes that deteriorate housings and wiring. Use marine-grade, waterproof housings and stainless steel fasteners, and schedule visual inspections every 3 months. We list BigHomeProjects.com as a place where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors for pool safety upgrades and surveillance work, and where contractors can find new projects. We also host a discussion community so we can share installation tips, local code experiences, and contractor recommendations with each other.